Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collab with Nikki and a bunch of other ladies. I'm going to be using my number 12 Poochie's 100% Kalinsky brush. I have my monomer. I don't know what's floating around in it. Yes, I'm also using the caramel cover from Poochie's, and I'm using my glow in the dark white and this red beautiful glitter mix, chunky glitter mix. I found this on Amazon. I don't have the link for it. I think I have the link for it. So if I have it, I will leave the link in the description below. So you can go and check that out. And if you want this glow in the dark powder, I have it. You can, DM me on my Instagram so you can get your own. Okay. So today I am working on a half ombre with the glitter in the bottom half of the nail, and then I wanted it to fade up to the tip so the tip is clear. I actually saw this design on Instagram and I wanted to copy it, so that's why I'm doing that. So, yeah, I thought it was so beautiful, and I will insert a picture somewhere in the video. I will do like a comparison on what I did and what I saw. But for right now, I'm just pulling down the clear, encapsulating it into clear. Because, when you're doing glitters, you don't want to just leave it like that. You have to actually encapsulate it in clear, or else you'll fall away your beautiful creation. And you don't want to do that, So that's what I'm doing. Making sure that every inch of my glitter is covered in clear. So yeah, all right, on the side, make sure that your sides are totally covered and everything is nice and neat and perfect. So on the middle finger, I'm going to be doing the glow in the dark white, because even in this darkness, my fingers gotta be popping, baby. They gotta be popping in the dark as well. And it's just gonna be basically just the white on this tip. So this is a part of a collab with Nikki and some wonderful divas. I will leave all their links, or most of their links, in the description below. You can go and check out their channels, and hopefully you subscribe to my channel and go subscribe and help us ladies out, because we're really just doing our thing, trying to grow on YouTube. It takes forever. It takes a really long time, and it takes a lot of hard work and dedication. And we are dedicated to our craft. We might have started out as, at first it was just to help me with my anxiety. I'm still anxious. Still anxious as can be, but I feel more calm when I'm doing nails now than I used to be. I'm not so nervous. Even doing the set, I was like a little bit shaky because I didn't want to mess it up. And I'm like, just relax. This is your love. This is something you love to do. So relax. Okay, so I'm using the caramel cover for this nail, and it is so gorgeous. I love how gorgeous the color looks. It's so pretty. I'm sorry, that's all I can say. It's a beautiful color and it works beautifully. I don't have to. This is the monomer I'm using, is cheap one, and it works with it just fine. Actually, every product I'm using today, I actually got to use it with this monomer. It's really fast drying, so you have to work really quickly. So I've been trying to use it a lot just so I can get my speed up, because I am really struggling with time. And I want to just make a difference. I want to change that. I'm trying to work on my speed for this year, because going to nail school, and when I leave, I'm definitely going full force ahead with my nail business, because this is what I want to do. I've branched out into other fields, but this is my main focus. This is mainly what I want to do. So I'm trying to just get my applications perfect and make sure that everything is in place. I need to practice my 3-ball method, because that's what I heard that you have to use in nail school. So yes, I have to practice. Always keep practicing. I'm using the caramel cover as a base for this one because I'm going to do a slight ombre, but it's still going to have a clear tip. So yeah, I think I put on a little bit too much of the glitter, so I'm just gonna speed through this one because it was giving me some difficulties. Yeah, as I put it on, I didn't put it to dry. I just kept on trying to move it down the nail, so what it was doing was moving the glitter as well, and I really didn't want it to come to the tip of the nail. So yeah, it took me a couple of tries, but yep, there it is. It's in place. So I'm just gonna put another bead and bum ba dum ba dum in your face. It's done, or it's kind of done. It's kind of finished, but yeah. So anything you want to do in your life, your dreams, aspirations, don't ever give up on them. So now I'm coming in with my 101 grit file, and I'm filing straight down the sides of these nails to give them a nice tapered look, because I'm going for a coffin shape, and it's taking off any acrylic that's spilled over the sides of the nails and giving them a nice crisp corner, so I can go over it with my e-file. Okay, my fan wasn't on, so I just turned it on. Yeah, so the fan I'm using is, I got it from Home Depot. My husband inserted it into my table for me, so it works really well. As you can see, there is no dust, but I do have a couple of dust collector fans that works really well. When I'm not using this one, I actually have some that really works well, because sometimes I don't feel like moving the things that on my table to get to this fan, so I just grab my little dust collector fan. I love the one especially from Bell Homes. I love theirs. It's really good. It works really well. I will leave a link in the card for that video where I did the unboxing for that one. You can go ahead and go check it out. It was really fantastic. And this drill also is from Bell Homes. As you can see, I love their products because this is my second drill from them. I will leave links in the cards for the unboxing of the first drill I got from them. I haven't done the unboxing for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link for it if I've done it already. If not, I will just have it up in timely manner. But for right now, I'm all filed. I'm going to be doing using this wax method that I saw on Instagram to use my little dotting tool to adhere my crystals, because my little crystal pen is it takes me forever to get these crystals on there. So I'm trying out this method that I saw on Instagram, and lo and behold, it works. It actually works. My daughter is home. She's gonna bust in here right now, because that's what they do. They bust in on me. I'm shocked she's not in here yet. Okay, so I'm back. I had to deal with my daughter. She just came home from school and she drew something. It was really, really gorgeous. I will leave a link for her Instagram in the description below. Please go ahead and follow her. She's an amazing artist, and she also does YouTube. I will leave her link as well in the description. Please go and follow her channel. Subscribe to her channel as well, because she's an amazing artist. And I'm not just saying that because she's my daughter. I'm saying that because she actually is. Anyways, this design, I tried to copy the one that they did, but I ended up doing whatever I could, get myself to do, because I'm not the best at crystal, placement. I'm not really good at the crystal placement as yet. I'm working on that talent, because, I think it's a beautiful thing when you have like a rhythm going. So I'm gonna tweak with this for a little bit, and then it took me forever, so I'm gonna just speed through this part. Okay guys, so I'm back. I don't know, I think I missed some footage of me doing those shaky lines right there. My hand was shaking so hard I couldn't, stay focused. I don't know, I've been very nervous lately. I think so. The lines are shaky, but I think the design, you can basically see what I was trying to achieve right there, so yeah, it's what do you call that, plaid design. So yeah, anyways, that is it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, because I'm out of here. So don't forget to be fly like you don't know the girl, Reginanailsbfly. Bye guys.